Welcome to Little Tales! Tap the subscribe button so you don't miss any magical stories.
Once upon a time, on a sunny little farm, there lived many animals, all with their own special jobs and talents. The donkey worked hard every day, carrying heavy baskets and walking through the fields. The little puppy didn't carry anything, but he brought smiles wherever he went. One morning, the farmer came into the stable with treats in hand. The puppy ran straight to him, wagging his tail and licking the farmer's hand. The donkey watched from his stall and thought, "I want cuddles and treats too." So the donkey pushed open his gate and clomped into the yard. He tried to wag his tail, dance like the puppy, and even bounced on his big hooves. Then he leapt toward the farmer's lap, just like the puppy. Oh no, he was too big and heavy. Everyone jumped up in surprise. The farmer smiled and gently guided him back. "You're special too," he said kindly. "But not everything suits everyone." Now kids, what do we learn from this? You don't have to be like someone else to be loved. Just be you, because everyone is special in their own way.
Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe.